Hi everyone and welcome back to Accordion Joy. Let's now explore the fundamentals of rhythm. We'll learn how to count rhythms, keep time and introduce dynamics, the art of playing loud and soft. Let's jump right in. Understanding rhythm is essential for any musician. Let's start with the basics. Counting beats in a measure. Most songs you'll play are in 4/4 time, meaning there are 4 beats in each measure. Each beat is represented by a quarter note. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. After each 4 notes in this exercise we have a vertical line. This line represents that the first bar is finished. So we have this line, what I'm talking about, that's vertical line, is saying the first bar. So all of this is the first bar. This one is finished. In this exercise we have 4 bars in total. Bar 1, bar 2, bar 3 and bar 4. In the last bar we have 2 half notes. A half note is written as an open, empty note head with a stem. So this is this one. As you can see, it's empty. It's not filled with like this one. So also this one is empty, and we count them 1, 2, that will be C, and then 3, 4, that will be again C. When you play it, so you hold it 2 beats. A quarter note is written as a filled-in black note head with a stem. So that would be this one. In the first 3 bars, we just have quarter notes, which means 1 count or 1 beat, and in the last bar we have 2 half notes, which means hold 1 tone 2 counts, and then second note also 2 counts. Now I'll demonstrate the first exercise, guiding you through the counting you should follow while playing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you notice, the last bar contains half notes. Each of half notes has 2 beats. So let's play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now place this first exercise with telling you the fingering that you will need to use when playing. Now in the first time what I did, I was counting like 1, 2, 3, 4. Each bar repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that keeps the time. And now I'll tell you the fingering that you are going to use. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, and then 1. Just play with the thumb 2 times. Be sure to use the sheet music provided in the attachment of the video to follow along with the lesson. Let's do the same now with the second exercise. Now I'll demonstrate the second exercise, guiding you through the counting you should follow while playing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright, so in this exercise we have 3/4 rhythm and we count 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's jump to dynamics. Dynamics bring emotion and expression to your music. They tell us how loud or soft to play. Piano, marked as a P, means to play soft on the accordion. This requires a gentle pressure on the bellows. So if we press, for example, C, try even not pulling out hard, not even opening it loud. Just hold the bellow basically to get this soft sound. And on the other hand, forte, which is marked as F on the staff, means to play loud. Use stronger bellows pressure while maintaining control. So just pull out. As an example, I'll play the same exercise. So I'll do the second exercise from this lesson I'll play it first time forte, so loudly, and the second time I'll play it piano, so softly. Okay. Now piano or softly. Notice how the dynamics completely change the character of the piece. Practice switching between soft and loud to develop control over your sound. You've done an amazing job for today, learning how to count rhythms, keep time, and explore dynamics. This foundational skill will elevate your playing and help you bring music to life. Thank you for joining me. Keep practicing, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next lesson.